You think arguments destroy relationship? You think it's the shouting, the fighting, the drama. But what if I told you the real reason most relationships are dying in 2026 is silence? Yes, I mean silence. Because when two people stop arguing, they don't find peace. They start losing each other slowly. Let's be honest, we have all been taught that a good relationship is one with no arguments, no tension, no disagreement, just peace. But that is not real, because real love comes with emotion, and emotion don't stay quiet. So when everything becomes calm all the time, you need to ask yourself, is this peace or is this disconnection? Let me tell you something most people don't understand. Arguments are not the enemy. Argument means you still care, you still feel, you still want something to change. That's the meaning of argument. When someone argues with you, they are still fighting for the relationship. But when they go quiet, that is when you should be scared, because silence doesn't mean maturity. Sometimes it means they have already checked out. And this is where it gets worse in today's world. People don't argue anymore, they just disconnect. You are sitting next to your partner, but both of you are on your phones, scrolling, laughing, engaging with strangers, but ignoring each other instead of having hard conversation. We run to social media instead of fixing things. We distract ourselves. So now you have got couples living in the same house but in completely different worlds. Here's the part that hurts the most. When your partner stops complaining, you think, oh, finally you have peace. No, that is not peace. That is surrender. Because people only complain when they still care. When they stop talking, stop explaining, stop reacting, it means they have given up trying to fix things. And once that happens, bro, you are no longer building a relationship. You are just managing the situation. Silence does something dangerous to the mind. When someone constantly ignores you, your brain processes it like rejection, like abandonment. So instead of solving the problem, you start building resentment. You overthink, you withdraw, you slowly detach. At least in an argument, there is a chance to fix things. But in silence, nothing gets resolved. It slowly dies. So, how do you know that you are in this situation? Simple. You don't have deep conversation anymore. Every time feels okay but empty. You avoid serious topic. You feel alone even when they are there. And the biggest one is you don't even try to fix things anymore. That is not a relationship. That is what I call a silent divorce. But here's the truth. Silence doesn't mean it's over yet. If you are willing to face it, you can still fix it. You need to bring back honest conversation. Yes, it will be uncomfortable. Yes, it might lead to argument. But that is better than pretending everything is fine. Because real relationships grow through truth, not silence. If you can still argue with respect, you can still rebuild. So listen carefully. A loud relationship can still be safe, but a silent one, that is where love disappears without warning. So ask yourself, are you really at peace? Or have you both just stopped trying? If this hits you, Drop real in the comments and follow for more truth nobody wants to say.